Okay, so here's a good before and after. We've just taken the original siding off. The building paper is still on the building, and you can see where the leaks and deficiencies were. And this helps explain why the white house wrap doesn't come up all the way to the window. What had apparently happened was the windows were originally installed. A thin strip of house wrap was put around it in an attempt to flash things, and then the wood trim was nailed on, and then the building paper was installed. So this is kind of a reverse sequence. Ideally, the building paper should be integrated in with the window and sealed to the window instead of leaving this gap. And you can see the normally orange OSB sheathing underneath it. You can see the areas of water damage. They're black and dark around the windows because the water was able to leak in and damage the structural sheathing around the windows. Up in that corner, you can also see where the paper has been pulled back a little bit. You can see the water damaged sheathing below a roof-to-wall connection. Those are pretty common leakers as well, and so it's just not watertight at that transition, and that water is allowed to flow all the way down the corner. You can see more window locations. You can see the building wrap doesn't go around the corner. It obviously wasn't integrated with typical vents like bathroom fans or kitchen fans, and you can see the water damage underneath the building wrap due to a bad installation job. So in this particular project, we're removing all the siding and redoing all that weather barrier, and this will be a nice new system again.